Okay, so we have some visitors. Kunin din lang po yung pangalan later on, we will recognize. Welcome everyone. Okay. Mga bisita ni Sister Alexa. Okay. Bigay mo nga yung pangalan mamaya, no? Okay. Ano natin. Okay, brethren, welcome. Welcome to our church, Bethany Baptist Church Mission here in Yerevan, Armenia. Today, we are celebrating the first formal church anniversary of the work of the Lord here in this country. No? Of course, this Bethany Baptist Church, I am the pastor, of course, Pastor Ed Pamintuan. I was properly commissioned and sent out from our church there at Bethany Baptist Church, Makati. And I and my wife were sent out to preach the gospel in this country. It is not limited for Filipinos, of course. It is for all nationalities. Though, of course, the first one that we can reach out are our fellow kabayan, but the church and the gospel is for all people. The Lord Jesus Christ said, "Go ye and preach the gospel to all nations, no? To all countries of the world." So, brethren, also today, we are also celebrating the third World Missions Conference. No? Marami nagtatanong how come, no? How come we are yet celebrating first anniversary and yet we have third World Missions Conference? Well, later on makikita niyo po yung history niya ng ating church in a video presentation prepared by our single lady missionary Rachel Ann Clavio. No? Mamaya makikita niyo po yun. Pero just to mention, since 2017, I and my wife visited this country of Armenia, no, for a survey trip. And then when we go back to the Philippines, we reported the situation and we were properly sent out in 2018. No? And then in 2018, we came back here and we started formally the ministry of preaching the gospel, gathering some believers, though by that time, napakakunti po, no? Nakapag-baptize ako ng, I think, 3, 2018. 2019, I was able to baptize 2, no? And then, nagkaroon ng COVID ng 2020 ba yun? 2.5 years wala po kami. Pagbalik namin ng 2022, nakapag-baptize ng isa, no? But thank God, noong 2023, doon po nagkaroon ng major breakthrough. No? Doon po tayo nakapag-baptize ng 8. Kaya sabi ko sa mga kapatiran, brethren, it's good that we will celebrate our church anniversary next year. At ngayon na nga po yun. No? So brethren, also this year, nakapag-baptize na rin po tayo ng 5. So brethren, thank you for the faithful members who are continually supporting the church. At alam niyo ba na since 2023, when we first lumipat tayo dun sa, actually, dun pa lang sa apartment, na tinitira namin ni na Brother Darwin, nagsimula na po ang Sunday worship service, I think, nakalimutan ko na May or April or May. Then lumipat na po kami sa nirerentahan, no? At tuloy-tuloy na yon even nung wala kami. So we are so thankful to the Lord. Ang sabi nga po, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So thank God, our church, Bethany Baptist Church, through the encouragement of our pastor, ay nagpadala sila ng missionary. No? They sent out missionaries here. Nowadays, hindi lang po isang family kami, no? 4 families na po ang missionaries natin dito. Missionary Pabaroa, Limbel muna. Limbel, pakitayo nga, kasama si Mama Raisha. Okay, sila po, ayan. Kasama yung mga anak nila, no? They are our second set of missionaries here in the country of Armenia, Filipino missionaries. Ang third set, si Missionary Chris Pabaroa, his wife Cindy, and 3 children, nasa Gyumri rin po. Kaya lang may service sila ngayon kaya hindi maka-join. Pero mamayang gabi daw po, Pastor, makikipag-fellowship sila sa atin. And then, ito na nga po yung 4th missionary na pinadala ng Panginoon dito sa bansang Armenia. And will to God, mamaya po, even sa ating missionary mission conference, God will touch your heart. Kahit na yung mga nandito na po nagtatrabaho, na hindi po imposible na God will call someone even from this group and even from our group from other countries. Later on, we will recognize them. No? So, asan na ba yung listahan natin? Pakikuha nga yung listahan, kapatid, para yung mga bisita natin. Basahin ko lang muna rito. Okay? Unang mga bisita natin, of course, mga nakakasama na natin sila sa mga Bible study, nabibisita natin. Recognize natin si Rico, no? Brother Rico, pakitayo lang. Siya po yung isa sa pinakaunang Pilipino dito sa Armenia. Salamat at nakarating siya, no? And then, thank you. Ang susunod si Marvin, no? Marvin, mayaman to eh. Ayala apelido, di ba? So, okay. Si Marvin din po, no? Nabibisita rin po namin yan. Although, this is the first time na I think nakadalo sa ating church service. And then, of course, si Missionary Limuel, may kasama siyang dalawa, member na rin po nila sa tinatawag na lugar po nila sa Gyumri. Unahin natin si Rose. Rose ka ba? Rosa. Okay, thank you. And even more, magkapatid po sila. Thank you for coming. No? So, I think pagpipilitan ako mag-Ingles. Of course, yung mga regular natin kasama, sina Malu, no? Of course, mga kapatid natin, sina Marvin, sina Shirley, mga kasama na po natin yan every Sunday. So, the rest are still coming. Now, I need to recognize, we have some visitors. Ito, no? Sorry, no? I hope I can pronounce it properly. Alusini Kaibo, or Kaido. Can you rise up, stand up, and wait for our brethren? Thank you. You're from what country? Sierra Leone. Babayan ni, ano ang pangalan niya? Muller. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Alisen. And then another, Paul Monsari. Well, familiar name, no? Philippine and American name. And then Sulaiman Jala. Okay, thank you for coming. And Hassan Kanu. Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you, Sister Alexa, for bringing your visitors. Sino si, meron pa rito? Si Jessie. Matanda. Sorry. Akala ko, natin, hindi ko nakita. Salamat, Jessie. Bisita ni Sister Masya, no? So, of course, na-recognize na natin yung sina Malu, Demetrio, si Marvin Ayala, si Erin Oba, Rico Acacio, no? And the rest are our brethren. Pakita yung nga yung mga members natin, brethren natin from the church. Sige, tayo yung mga regular na nakakasama natin dito. Yung iba nandun sa likod, no? So, ayaw nga pala, okay? Yan yung mga kasama natin. Thank you. Okay, you may be seated. Meron pa akong isang na-miss, no? Si Sister Charisma, no? Kapatid, asan siya? Ayun. Hindi, Charisma. Bakatan, okay? Tapos nandito si Sister Daina, no? Ayan, wave na lang, Sister Daina. Tayo ka lang, tayo. Salamat at masaya kami na muli ka namin makakasama. So I believe this is all muna, mga brethren. The work of the Lord is started. Not really 1 year pa lang, no? It so happened na nagkaroon lang tayo ng formal celebration ng anniversary this year. Pero bakit tayo may 3 World Missions Conference na? Because every year na pumupunta si Pastor Nable, lagi tayo may World Missions Conference. Actually, Pastor, 4 na pala to eh. Hindi ko lang binilang yung una natin sa Nasyaban. This is the 4th time that Pastor Nable is coming back here in Armenia, and every year na nandito siya, nagkakaroon tayo ng World Missions Conference. Hindi ko na lang sinama yung unang-una doon sa Ararat region. And now, brethren, let's proceed with our program. Now, I would like to call the church to render a special number. First lang po ito, brethren. No? This is the first time na kakanta po ng group singing ang ating mga kapatiran. Come in, brethren.